4 people, year 10. 4 people completed the worksheet. Look around at your fellow classmates. It's the same people every week. Okay? And the 4 of you who have done the work, this next part isn't for you, okay? But everyone else listening up, this isn't for me, okay? I've got a job. I've had my education, okay? I don't have to be here. I've actually got year 12 marking to do. This is for you guys. And I think you'll find when you get to university, your professors are not as lenient as I am, okay? This kind of behaviour won't fly. The 4 of you who did complete the work, you guys, you're free to go. You can have an early mark and go to lunch. Everyone else, we're going to stay here for the next 12 minutes in complete silence.